There are two flow control statements in Python. They are break and continue. Break is used to terminate the loop, whereas continue is used to skip an iteration. Let's see few examples. For example, find first even numbers in the list of numbers. So I have this list of numbers where I have the combination of odd and even numbers, but I want to find the first even number, which is 4 here. So let's try to write a code here. We have to loop through each and every number for I in numbers. To find if a variable is even or not, we have a modulus operator here. I mod 2 equals 0. Then that number is considered as even. So I'll simply print I. Let's save this code and run. We see both the even numbers 4 and 2, but I want only 4. So once I find 4, I need not loop through other elements. So what I can do is I can simply add a keyword break. Now if I run the code, we see only the number 4. So what's happening here is it goes to the first number 13, it's not divisible by 2, and it goes to 9, it's not divisible by 2, so it doesn't go into this if block. The same thing happens until the number 15, but when it reaches the number 4, this is satisfying the condition, it is divisible by 2. So it will print the number 4 and it will break out of the loop. Then the control would come out of this loop and the program will be terminated. Let's take another example where I want to print only odd numbers. So let's modify this code. I'll remove this break. We have to print all the odd numbers. So I'll move this print outside if, and inside if I'll simply put a keyword continue. Now what I'm doing here, if there is an even number, just continue, just skip this iteration and continue with other numbers. It won't go to this control if this condition is satisfied. Let's print this. So we have all the odd numbers, no even number is printed. First it goes to 13, it's not divisible, so it will simply print 9, it's not divisible by 2, it will print. The same thing happens until 15. When it reaches 4, 4 is divisible by 2 and the program sees the keyword continue. What happens is it won't go to the next line, it will continue with the next number, which is 1. And the same thing happens when it comes to 2, it will simply go to the next number, but this is an end of the list, so it will terminate here.